Are we losing the art of conversation? We ask for people who watch an online talk on technology and communication by Sherry Truckle for their opinions. First, it was a fascinating talk, and the speaker really hit the nail on the head with a couple of things. Take parental influence, for instance. Who can we accept teenagers not to text while doing their homework when they witness their parent posting on social media while cooking the evening meal or meet at a red light? She also made a valid point about people wanting to be into or several places at once, so they switch back and forth between their live and online conversation. I see it all the time with my teenage doctor and her friend. They arrange to meet and then sit together in silence while each one engages in a different conversation online. Second, so much of what the speaker said rang true. I honestly believe there are dangers that the more connected we are, the more isolated we feel. I don't think this is such an issue for my generation who've lived without technology for long. We know how to be alone, and more importantly, we know that it's okay to be alone. But the under 20s are another kettle of fish. They are so busy communicating that they never experience the feeling of solitude and run the risk of not learning how to enjoy their own company. In addition, they are learning conversation through message that can be edited and changed at the expense of learning the art of real conversation in real time with the person in front of you. Third is, I'm not sure to what extent I agree what people are more alone, but the way we communicate has certainly evolved. We send tiny snippets of conversation or emoticons to each other, and I wonder how much is actually allows us to really understand one another. This superficial conversation is replacing in deep face-to-face interaction with is pauses, intonation, and sentiment. The speaker makes a good point about how we are getting used to conversation with mechanisms like Siri or robots, which are totally devoid of any experience of human life. But despite such limitation, we seems to be expecting more from technology and less from each other. And the last is the talk certainly give me plenty of food for talk about the way we communicate this and how technology is changing our behavior. People are constantly multi- multitasking, whether it's be emailing during meeting or texting in the checkout queue. I really believe it's affecting the way we relate to each other, and it's so just in the workplace. Kids went into the background as parent message at the dinner table or post on social network during the school run. It's as if we can bear to miss out on what our online buddies are up to, so we juggle the real and online world. My greatest concern is that we don't give our brain a chance to switch off. It's this precious moment when we actually process information that help us make important decisions.